Hi everyone, it's me Wendy from Bake with Bakabee. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Here you can find fun, easy and delicious baking recipe, tips and tricks for baking, baking tools, organizing hacks. Everything is about baking. If you like baking as much as I do, this channel is for you. Alright, as a baker who doesn't like cookie cutters, I love cookie cutters. I confess, I have been baking for several years. I have accumulated a lot. I can say a lot. That's why I need an affordable, sustainable and functional system to help me organize my cookie cutters. It means it needs to be budget friendly and easy to look for a particular cookie cutter that I need. So I am excited today because I'm going to show you step by step how I organize my cookie cutters on a budget. Do you want to know how the system works? Just keep on watching. Part 1. The organizing materials I use. In my cookie cutter cupboard, I mainly use this kind of transparent shoebox to organize my cookie cutters collection. It comes in two sizes. I use this size for my collection. The reason why I use this box because the size is perfect, not too big and not too small. And the other good things about this box is the lid can be closed very tightly. Even though you turn the box upside down, the lid still can be closed. And of course, it is very budget friendly. I bought this in Singapore for just $2 per box. Another material I use to organize my cookie cutters is these kinds of storage bags with zipper. They also come in different sizes. So here I have 3 sizes that I normally use, but you can use any sizes which suits your cookie cutters. I think there are a few good points of using storage bags to organize the cutters in the box as well. First, they can keep my cutters from being dusty. Second, they can help me keep a set of cutters in place. And I will show you later how I organize my cutters in the box. Finally, and very importantly, they are really budget friendly, just cost $2 per pack. I think it is a very important concept when it comes to organizing stuff because the material we use has to be affordable and sustainable in the long term. Otherwise, it will break our wallet in the long run. That's what we don't want, do we? This bag even has a built-in label area that you can write down what is in the bag. It is very handy. Part 2. 3 ways of organizing the cutters in the boxes. Let me grab 3 different boxes to show you my different methods to organize my cutters. Method number 1. This is the simplest way to organize the cutters. I label this box as huge letters. That means there is just one type of cutters in the box, which is the letters of the alphabet. As you can see, each cutter is around the size of my palm, so there is no point to keep them in storage bags to separate them. So I just keep the whole set, 26 cutters in this box. Therefore, if I look for a particular letter, I know where to find it. Method number 2. I label this box as dinosaur and sea animals. That means there are 2 sets of cutters in the box. Okay, let's see what's inside. I separate the dinosaur and the sea animals in the storage bags and lay them flat so that it will be easier to look for the particular cutters that I need. Method number 3. This is the way that I put the similar types of cutters together. Just like this box, I labeled it as basic shapes, frames, stars, and oval. In this box, I put the individual set or type of cutters in the storage bags to separate them, so that I can find the right one easily. As you can see, there are lots of different shapes here, so store them in the storage bags definitely is a good way to well organize them. Part 3. An example of organizing a box. The material you will need is a box, storage bags, a marker, and a sheet of paper which can fit in the box as a label. Just like this. Now we are all set. Let's get organized. Now let's put the same type of cutters in a bag. Here I have the coffee cups, 4 leaves clover, maple leaves, and the baking cutters. Now I am putting each individual type of cutters in a storage bag to separate them. Next, write down the individual types of cutters on the paper using the marker. As you can see, I wrote down coffee cups, but for the baking cutters, I want to be more specific. That's why I wrote down each cutter individually on the paper. But there is no right or wrong way to label the box. The ultimate is it needs to be clear enough for you to look for the cutters when you need it. Finally, I also wrote down the 4 leaves clover and maple leaf on the label. Now put all the bags in the box. And place the sheets of paper at the front as a label. Now it is done! How simple is that? This is how I organize my cookie cutters on a budget. It is affordable and sustainable. All the materials are easy to find. So that's it. This is my simple, sustainable, and more importantly, budget-friendly cookie cutter organizing system. Actually, this is my 3rd baking tools organizing video. If you are interested in organizing your baking tools, you can check out my another 2 videos, which are my baking room tour video. In that video, I show you my top 10 organizing tips, and the other one is DIY piping tip organizer videos. The links are in the description box below, or you can check out the links over there. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please give me a big thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And please feel free to leave your comments down below if you have any other organizing tips. I would love to learn from you. And make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bells next to it so that you will be notified when my videos goes live. Alright, so thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye!